welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to be doing an acrylic redesign. We have some coffin nails here, and we are going to be doing a French nail as well as a dark purple nail with pink glitter. So here I am using s&mnailcandi Candy Cover Nude, and I'm also using their monomer. I am using a CADS brush number 14 that you can get off of Amazon, and if you choose to get from s&mnailcandi, you guys can use my code SMEasyNails10. So how is everybody? I hope everybody is doing well, staying safe. I did get some new monomer purchases recently. I will be doing a video about that. I have an odorless monomer from Coupa coming up, and then I got the not polished monomer. I just have a bit of problems with the not polished monomer. I tried contacting them, haven't heard back yet. I want to make sure I get it resolved before I speak with you guys about it. But yeah, I also have a Young Nails acrylic haul coming up, some AliExpress crystals coming in the mail, so be sure to subscribe not to miss out on all of that. I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you guys so much for being on this acrylic journey with me, learning along with me. I hope I am helpful. As always, if you guys have any questions, leave them below and I will try to answer them to the best of my ability. So here I am just building up that French nail. Again, this is Candy Cover Nude, and I am using s&mnailcandi Fruity Treat Irresistible Sweets monomer. It is super low odor and it smells really sweet, so I highly recommend that. I am wiping here on the dental bibs. I think I mentioned this before. I got them from Amazon, and I highly recommend them to use to wipe your brush. They're super absorbent. They come in really big packs, and I just cut them up into little squares, so it works really nicely. So I believe this nail is going to be a full nail of the nude, and then I'm also going to be using Nail House, a really pretty pink blue shift glitter, so that's really pretty. And then I'm also going to be using a Dasha acrylic I got from a&gnailsupply. And that is a really gorgeous deep purple color. So I filed down this previous set. The middle ring finger I replaced, and I'm just going on top of this. Of course, I prepped my natural nails with a very lightly coursed file, really soft. You just want to get the shine off your nails. Then I dehydrated them with Young Nail Swipe, and I applied NSI bonder to the nails, and I also pushed back my cuticles. So that is basically how I did that. To remove my previous set, I used an extra coarse safety bit and just took off any lifted area and the majority of the acrylic, and I left a really thin layer here. You guys can see the two green nails, just a really thin layer, and then I'm going to go over them. So I'm going to let you guys watch as usual. Let me know if you have any questions. Subscribe, like this video, and I will come back in a little bit. So here I'm going in with that Dasha purple color I told you guys about. It's a really pretty color. It was super affordable from a&gnailsupply. If you guys go to a&gnailsupplies.com, it's a really small jar. It's about 1/3 of an ounce, I believe, but it's only like $3, or don't quote me on that, but somewhere around there. So super affordable if you guys are just looking for colored acrylics. And I am just working around that smile line. I just want like this darker color underneath, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the Nail House acrylic. I believe it's not here. It is a blue. It is a pink glitter with like a blue shift to it. So I'm going to put that acrylic right on top of this. So here I'm going in with that Nail House color. It's a really, really pretty pink glitter with like a blue reflex in it, and I really like the effect of having the purple underneath just around the smile line and then having the pink glitter on top. It really gave it a really, really multi-dimensional look. So I highly recommend you guys to test that out with French nails. I really like the way it turned out. So again, I'm just going over the purple parts and then filling in the tip that I left clear with that Nail House pink acrylic glitter. Alrighty, you guys, moving on to the first finger, I'm doing a full finger of the purple. Yeah, so I'm just applying this purple nail to the entire index finger. So you guys, I'm so sorry, but the video did cut off after this clip. I'm just finishing up the cuticle work on this nail, and I applied like a maroon color from Royalty Nail Supplies on the pinky, but I do have some video clips of the finished nail, so please stay tuned for that, you guys. Subscribe, like, and comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!